Hi guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest recording of our weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, April 24 to 26. And this is our English version. Brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you want to know more about the program or BPI, just click on the link here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just click on the description. You will see a link towards BPI Sustainable with You page. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's start our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Wednesday, and this is valid until tomorrow, Thursday. We still have the easterlies bringing some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in some parts of the country. That includes portions of Central Luzon, Southern Tagalog provinces, including Metro Manila. Also here over the Bicol region, there are some rainfall that occurred here in Naga City, in most parts of the barangays, and also in some parts of 1st District of Camarines Sur. And also portions of Visayas and Mindanao will also have some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and through the evening. And we have here a series of surface trough, or also known as trade wind trough, okay? And so far, we are still waiting for the development of the intertropical convergence zone in the coming days. It is expected to form over this part of the Western Pacific, south of Micronesia. And we have here a frontal system bringing inclement weather across Taiwan, southern islands of Japan, and along the southern coastal areas of Japan. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. You can clearly see here developing thunderstorms across the western Pacific area, along the Micronesia, across the areas of the Republic of the Marshall Islands, and this is a sign that the intertropical convergence zone is set to begin along this part of the ocean basin. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here for the past 6 hours beginning at 10 a.m. As the afternoon progresses, developing thunderstorms can be observed here over some portions of the Bicol region, particularly Camarines Sur and Naga, and also developing thunderstorms in some areas of Luzon. There's one here over the Cordillera Administrative Region and into Cagayan Valley, and as well as over the eastern sections of Northern Quezon, Southern Tagalog provinces. There are possibility of thunderstorms over that area. Okay, Metro Manila, let's hope that there might be some thunderstorm to fight this extreme heat index. And over here, over the area of Mindoro, as well as some portion of western Panay, and also over the area of Mindanao, there are developing thunderstorms with lightning, as you can see here from the Nowcast Lightning Detection, Global Detection Network. Okay, and here's the surface trough, but it's not expected to develop. There are no sign of a tropical cyclone development for the next 5 to 10 days so far. Okay, and as we take a look at the latest heat index, we're still going to create this heat index table later today, since it's still around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And here's the just a glimpse of what is the highest right now here in Typhoon 2000 San Felipe area. It's currently the highest occurred at 1:51 p.m. at 47.3 degrees centigrade, with a daily high temperature of 33.4 around 11 this morning. But we have a rainfall, as you can see here, for today, rainfall of 6.6 millimeters has fallen a few hours ago. And if we take a look at other weather stations, let me move this. I'm going to show it to you. The other areas. Okay. Let's go to Mabulo, Naga City, where in the highest yesterday of 50.3 was recorded. And today, the highest, let's see here. It's still at 48, so minus 2 degrees because of the sudden downpour of rain this afternoon. 1:56 p.m. 48 degrees heat index. Temperature is 33.9 before 2 p.m. And the rainfall is 8.9 millimeters, a little higher than San Felipe. And if we take a look at other weather stations, this is the highest rainfall here over Ramayda Village in Concepcion Grande. The highest rainfall is at 78 millimeters. It's quite heavy, and it may produce some flooding in low-lying areas with this kind of rainfall, which happened around noontime and early this afternoon. That's 78 millimeters, but the heat index is slightly lower, 45.3, because of the heavy rainfall. And so far, that's the latest from our network of weather station. And if you take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, so this is the latest right now. So today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday until Saturday, we are still experiencing the warm easterlies, okay? But the rainfall probability will decrease based on the new forecast, although there are still some thunderstorms during the afternoon or evening over Mindanao, parts of Visayas, and small parts of Bicol by Saturday, okay, or this coming Saturday. So this is right now, so chances of rainfall here over Mindanao is higher, because as you can see the graphic of rainfall and thunderstorms. Here over Bicol region is starting to wane down because it's already 4 p.m. Parts of northern and central Luzon, there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms as well. Thursday, forecast for tomorrow afternoon, decreasing thunderstorm activity, but there will be some smaller ones over Luzon. Friday afternoon, 2 p.m., there will be scattered, isolated ones over Mindanao, Visayas, and western Luzon. And on Saturday afternoon, another round of heavy thunderstorms may be expected over Davao region, Soxagen, and parts of northern Mindanao, including Caraga, while moderate thunderstorm activity may be expected across Visayas, parts of the Bicol region, and northern portions of Cagayan Valley, including the Cordillera Administrative region. Okay, so that's the forecast to Saturday. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, this is the total rainfall accumulation that is expected. And Mindanao will get more rain compared to other parts of the country, lesser over western Visayas, but there might be minimal to moderate rainfall here for the next 3 days across northern and central Luzon and some portions of the Bicol region. And for the wave forecast, nothing changes still today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, until Saturday. The wave heights over the East Philippine Sea will remain 1 to 1.5 meters. So it's suitable for fishing and sea travel. No worries, okay? And it will be much better over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands and the West Philippine Sea, including the Calayan Island Group and the Spratly Islands. The wave heights will be from calm to almost 1 meter. So very suitable for fishing and sea travel as well. So before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and outlook. the Global Tropics Hazard Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, issued yesterday. For week 2, valid May 1 until May 7, we expect 50% of below average rainfall across, or more than 50% across much of the country. And by week 3, valid May 8 to May 14, the probability of below average rainfall has returned to normal. But east of the Philippine Islands, in the vicinity of the Marianas and the Caroline Islands, or Micronesia, we could be having more than 25% of a tropical cyclone formation. So this is the first, since we are now nearing the start of the tropical cyclone season or typhoon season in our basin. So May 8 to May 14, there might be a probability that's more than 20% probability of a tropical cyclone formation, because the American model between day 11 to 14 forecast, there is a tropical cyclone forming south of Guam. But it will be confirmed by the European model when it enters the 10-day forecast. So it's not yet sure. Highly uncertain if this potential tropical cyclone formation will push through. But it is already shown in this week 3. But again, the probability here is very low. So we will keep you updated next week for the latest of this tropical cyclone probability. Okay, so that ends our update for this Wednesday, April 24, and we will return this weekend to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Don't forget to drink lots of fluids or water to avoid or to battle this high heat index. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.